Okay, everybody, I have a 2019 Honda Odyssey. This is the ELX. So anyway, this will go for 2018, 2020. I'm sure it's the same concept on all the Honda Odysseys. Anyway, I'm going to change the air filter. I want to show you guys how easy it is. Don't pay your dealership to do it. Here's the part number for the OEM Honda factory air filter. Brand spanking new. So anyway, if you aren't familiar with all that's under the hood, don't be intimidated. This is extremely easy. So it's not over here, not over here, it's right here. This box right here is the air filter box, and you don't even need any tools. Check this out. See this tab here? You just put your little finger on it, flick it. You could even, flick it twice if you want to flick it twice. If it doesn't come off easy, talk dirty to it and flick it. And guess what? There's one back here. Alright, maybe not. Alright, scratch that idea. But there is one back here. Oh, guess not. You see that right there? And right here. So the back of the air filter will slide into these little areas. So you just lift it up and pull it out. Here's the old air filter. All you do is lift it up like that. What I do is check inside here. This is where you might get leaves and stuff, because what happens, right here's the intake. It comes in, the air intake for the air filter. Comes in here. If you got any critters or anything, they'll be inside there. That part goes to the engine. So, just to show you guys, this is the old air filter, and you look at it, oh, okay, that looks kind of clean. Keep in mind, this is the engine side. Of course it's going to look clean. So you turn it over, this is the side that gets all the air and the road grime and the nastiness. So you see how it's dirty? Remember, it only goes in one way. See if there's any arrows. No, there's no arrows. Okay, so when you put the new one in, remember, it goes in with this side facing down. This side is up to the engine. But let me show you a trick to see if you need a new air filter or not. So I'm going to come over here to the sun. And you just hold this up. See, there's a tree, there's a cloud. You hold it up. Let me try to get to the sun. Oh man, it's bright out here. Oh, there's the sun. Okay. So I'm right behind the sun. See, the sun is right here. I'll blind you. Okay. And see, you can't really see a whole lot of light through it. This air filter is clogged. Well, let's go get the new one. Oh, and also another thing. Here's the ground right here. You just drop it. And drop it again. Look at all that crap that just came out of it. So this one, I'm not even gonna worry about cleaning because I have a new one. But you can clean it out. You can, if you blow it out, you wanna blow on the engine side to blow all this dirt out. If yours is like this, don't even bother with it, just put a new one in. Let's go ahead and open up this new one and show you that difference. Okay, let's go ahead and put this up to the sunlight just to show you the difference. So once again, we come over here. Okay, here's just, the clouds, the tree once again. And instantly you can see, let me back up, you can see. So we'll come over here to the sun. Where's the sun? There it is, right behind it. And see how you can see, like, there's a huge difference. Before, the other one was all black. And here, this is just like looking through a shade. So it just goes to show you the difference of how you can tell if your air filter is clogged or not. Okay. So we're gonna come over here and install it. What I noticed is this has writings here. I'm gonna tell you, it goes in one way only. And see, this side has this little groove right here. Well, not groove, has this little tab. And on this side, there isn't. Well, if you look in here, there's the groove where that tab goes into. So when you install it, make sure it's installed where most of it's down like this because the seal's up here, and you want to install it where that tab, whatever you call it, right there goes into the groove. So it's kind of hard without having 3 hands. So all I'm doing is lifting this up. I'm gonna hold the camera and just set it in there. You want to make sure the seal, is good. It's not really rocket science. Okay, now remember these tabs back here I was telling you about. You want to be able to make sure they get in there. Okay, there's the tab. I was just trying to get a visual so I can show you. Right here, I can't really see. Right here's the tab, and it goes inside the groove right there. So basically, oh, there's a better view. Right there's the tab. And there's one on the other side. Okay, what was easier, I don't know if you could see that, let me show you. I put this tab on this side over first. Once that was in, I was able to twist it and then get this tab in. Okay, once you got the tabs in the back hooked up, you just want to push this down. As you can see, it's just resting on there. Has a good seal all the way around, so you just want to pull these up. It's no longer a flick. What would you call that? How about a reverse flick? There you go, a reverse flick. And bam, you're done. Why pay the dealer something that literally takes you 2-3 minutes? Alright, I'm getting ready next to do the cabin filter, so there'll be another video on that. If you found this helpful, please go ahead and help me by subscribing, and I'll do other videos as it's needed on this car. Okay, thanks.